So guys, gawin natin breakfast to guys. Itong leftover rice. Garlic egg fried rice with bagoong. Ito yung magiging paalat natin. Ayan na guys. Painit na ako ng kawali guys. Fried egg muna tayo bago tayo ng fried rice. Ito muna yung itlog guys. Ito natin yung bawang. Lagyan na natin yung rice mo guys. Bartak na rin natin yung bagoong guys. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, ready na naman yung breakfast natin. Ayan guys, yung garlic fried rice with bagoong. Yung bagoong nga pala guys, ang ginamit ko yung luto na. Isadong alamang na guys. Ayan na guys. Breakfast na first meal. Happy breakfast mga guys. Thank you for watching.